Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn something very simple but very important in Java, that is number format exception. So what is number format exception? When we try to convert a string into a number but the string is not a proper number, then we will get a number format exception. So let's see. Now initialize a string variable, type string s is equal to 123, right? It is a proper number. So if it is a proper number, then we can convert it into a number in Java. So let's first convert this number, this string number, to number. So how we can do that? So integer dot parse int, right? So using this method we can convert string any number string into number, right? So assign new local variable. So press Ctrl 1 and assign statement to new local variable, right? So give integer number. So let's print this number. Now run the program and see the output. So run a Java application. Now you can see our string number is converted into what? Into a number, right? But if I am going to give A, B, C, right? So it is not a proper number. So Java says it is not a proper number. I can't convert into a number. So let's run the program and see the output. Now it's giving exception in thread main, right? Number format exception. You can see at line number 13 is giving us in package P1 number format exception. You can see here. So how we can handle this number format exception? So what we need to do? We will use try catch block to handle this number format exception.